How real estate investors profit from water damaged homes. Step-by-step guide. When most real estate investors see water damage, they panic and they try to steer clear from it. But the smart ones, well, they see a payday. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how smart investors are quietly making tens of thousands in profits by not avoiding water damaged properties, but by strategically buying, fixing, and flipping them with almost zero competition. You'll learn exact step-by-step system, including how to find these properties, how to analyze if the deal is worth it, and how to negotiate with sellers who just want the problem gone, and how to fix the damage without blowing your budget. You don't need to be a contractor. You don't need millions in the bank, and you definitely don't need to be a fix and flip pro. But there's one crucial thing you need to know before ever touching one of these properties. Because if you skip this step, you could end up buying a ticking time bomb. I'll tell you exactly what this is in a minute. But first, let's break down how these deals actually work. Part 1, why water damaged homes are secret opportunities. I have worked with a lot of people in the industry, and I have seen most investors, when they look at water damage, they stop and they think, oh my goodness, that's expensive. Or no, this is no way, this is too risky. Oh yeah, they're partly right, but here's the thing. Most people, most investors miss. Water and fire damage scares away 90% of buyers. That means less competition, lower prices, and motivated sellers, which can actually work immensely in your favor. Just to crystallize this, imagine that there was a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, in Tampa, and it has a roof that leaks because of a storm. The ceiling in the kitchen collapsed. Water goes into the drywall, and then the seller panics. Lists it for $210,000 in a neighborhood where comps are easily hitting $310,000. Nobody bites, except one investor who knew exactly what to look for. They brought in a contractor for a $12,000 repair. Insurance covered a portion of it. Total holding and repair costs around $235,000. They sold it for $305,000. That's a $70,000 swing most people walked right past. And despite what you might think, with the right help and the right guidance, it is in fact that simple. Now, the main lesson here is this example is that water damage looks like a red flag, but it's actually a white flag from the seller saying, please take this off of my hands. And when you have the right information and skill set, which is most likely most people watching this, then someone else's white flag of surrender is another person's gold mine. When you know how to navigate through this situation, you can help the situation. Part 2, how to find these hidden deals. And the thing with these are that most of these never hit Zillow. You've got to go where the damage happens first, before the property ever hits the market. So where do you go? 2 underrated gold mines. Public insurance claims data. In some states, you can access recent property insurance claims. Look for terms like flood, water intrusion, or roof leak. Plumbers and restoration companies. These people and businesses are the first to know when damage happens. Build relationships. Offer a referral fee for leads. This is how pros get first dibs. And here's the thing. Sellers who just went through a water damage crisis are emotionally drained. They want out, which leads to an incredibly important thing to understand, which is negotiating like a problem solver. Part 3, negotiating like a problem solver. Never lowball. Don't be a lowballer. See, you never want to walk into a potential deal and saying, I'll give you 70 cents on the dollar. Instead, you want to walk in as a problem solver, saying, you've been through a lot, I'll take this off your plate, no agents, no fees, no waiting. The key here is empathy and speed. And by changing your approach to this can simply win deals for you. You never realized you could get. However, there is still a big mistake a lot of new investors make. Part 4, how to analyze without guessing. They guess the cost of repairs. Never do this. Don't just guess, because you will likely be off of the actual number. Use this rule of thumb. Minor damage lipstick fix. Drywall, paint, light mold, $15 to $30 per square foot. Structural damage, joists, major mold, full remediation, $30 to $40 per square foot. This is all dependent on your state and housing prices, so use this for a quick reference only. But always bring in a licensed contractor or restoration pro. Their quote becomes your leverage during negotiation. Now, remember, there's one crucial step I said most people skip. Here it is, moisture mapping. Before you buy, get a thermal scan of the moisture map of the entire property. Water seeps into places you can't see, like behind walls or under floors. So if you skip this, you might think it's a $10K repair when it's really a $40K. So do not forget this step, and remember that the pros know what's invisible is what costs you the most. So if you want to make serious profit in real estate, stop chasing what everyone else is chasing. Instead, go where there's less competition, motivated sellers, and hidden upside. And if you want to learn more actionable tips and strategies when it comes to water damage, real estate investing, and what to look for, then sign up for my completely free newsletter where I send out a weekly blast to each of you. And if you want more free gems of information like this, then make sure to subscribe below and I'll see you in the next one. And thanks for watching.